Inflation crushing your business? Do this! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some crucial cost control tactics to help you navigate an inflationary economy compromising on quality. Look, I get it, prices are going up from raw materials to shipping. It seems impossible to keep up sometimes. But I'm here to tell you that there are ways to protect your bottom line, and even in this environment. Stop throwing money away. Reduce waste now. First up, let's talk about waste. You're probably thinking, Graham, I'm already careful about waste. But I'm telling you, there are hidden areas where you can trim the fat. Think about it. Every piece of scrap material, every kilowatt hour of wasted electricity, that's money literally going down the drain. Let's start with something as simple as recycling. Are you properly separating your cardboard, plastics, and glass? Are you working with a recycling center that actually pays you for your materials? It might seem small, but these little things add up, especially with inflation as high as it is. Next, take a hard look at your inventory management. Are you sitting on a mountain of slow-moving stock that's at risk of becoming obsolete? Do you have a system in place to track stock levels and predict demand? Remember, excess inventory ties up valuable capital and increases your storage costs. And don't even get me started on energy consumption. Turn off lights when you leave a room, switch to energy-efficient appliances. Even something as simple as adjusting your thermostat by a few degrees can make a difference. Remember, saving energy not only saves you money, but it's also good for the planet, and every little bit helps. The power of negotiation. Get what you deserve. Now let's talk about your suppliers. When was the last time you actually sat down and renegotiated your contracts? In this economy, you to be proactive. Reach out to your suppliers and don't be afraid to ask for better terms. Explain that you're looking for ways to cut costs due to inflation, and see if they're open to negotiating. You might be surprised at how often suppliers are willing to work with you, especially if you've been a loyal customer. Think about it. Could you secure a bulk discount by increasing your order volume? Could you negotiate a longer payment term to improve your cash flow? Or maybe it's time to shop around and see if there are alternative suppliers who can offer you a better deal. Remember, loyalty is important, but not at the expense of your business. Don't be afraid to walk away from a bad deal. There are always other suppliers out there who would be happy to have your business. Finally, let's talk about streamlining your operations. This is where you can really find some major cost savings. Think about it. Every inefficient process, every unnecessary step that's costing you time and money. Technology is your friend here. Are there any tasks that could be automated? Are you using software to manage your finances, track your inventory, or automate your marketing? There are tons of affordable tools out there that can save you hours of work and reduce your overhead. Next, take a look at your workflow processes. Are there any bottlenecks that are slowing things down? Are there any steps that could be eliminated or streamlined? Sometimes, even small changes to your processes can make a big difference in your efficiency. And don't forget about your team. Get them involved in the process and encourage them to come up with ideas for improvement. Offer incentives for finding cost savings or improving efficiency. Remember, a happy and engaged team is a productive team. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on managing your business in challenging times. Look, I know it's tough out there right now, but I promise you, you can get through this. By taking control of your costs, negotiating smarter deals, and streamlining your operations, you'll not only survive this inflationary period, you'll come out stronger on the other side. See you in the next video.